Hello? Ma, you gotta come get us. Kim, what's wrong? Are you still at the party? There was no party. They made us say that. Who? These guys, listen, we're in North Hollywood.
Did I miss anything?
Nah, not much. I mean, we still don't know who's behind the murders.
If Sister Shadare was here now, she can't tell.
Listen, my daughter's in trouble. She's in North Hollywood somewhere behind Platt's auto body. It sounded like someone was chasing her.
What?
Oh, hi guys. How was your day?
Your favorite movie is on.
Woo!
Look at me. Look at me. Oh God. Oh God. No.
Please check if the world is coming to an end.
Very funny.
But it's true. When last have you seen Shadare this cheerful when she came back from work? The last time was when she got promoted, and that was long ago.
Something happened today.
Like another promotion?
I don't know. So, be right back.
Where are you going?
What's up? What?
What happened?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, come on, big sister. It's not every day we see you come back from work really happy and singing and dancing, huh? You can fool every other person in this house, but you cannot fool me. So, spill.
All right. I'll tell you. I have a date. Oh, come on, Tayo. Stop being such a drama queen.
Oh, please, let me be happy. I mean, it's not every day my uptight older sister comes back home telling me she has a date. Really? Tell me more about it.
Well, he's a contractor for our company.
Wow, that's great.
And his name is Akim.
Huh?
What?
What do you mean what? Akim. My other sister go out on a date with someone named Akim.
So? He's a person, isn't he?
I didn't say it's not a person, no. I'm just saying that, please, what exactly is it that he supplies to you again?
Anyway, if you must know, building materials.
Hey, it has happened. My sister has found a date who supplies them building materials named Akim.
Tayo, look here. I'm not like you, okay? I'm not obsessed with flashy lifestyle and appearances. So please.
Sister Shadare, I'm not saying you should be obsessed like me. No, at all. I'm just saying you can do better. What kind of demon possessed you to date a guy called Akim?
Okay, that's it. Tayo, this discussion is officially over.
Shadare, I'm just...
Tayo, he's an okay person. And besides, I am the one going on a date with him. And not you. Okay?
Okay. That's all right. I'm going to leave you alone now with Akim. Bye.
Oh, hi.
Hey. Hi.
I'm good.
Is Shadi around?
Yes, she is. She's just getting ready for it. Come on in.
Okay. Oh, that late? She told you about it already?
She did though. I don't know how on earth Shade would decide to go out with such a character. Baffles me.
You see, I can't wrap my finger around how she could possibly date a contractor.
Did you say a contractor? And Kim. I mean, that's rasness on 100th degree. Goodness knows where he'll take her to. Let's guess.
Maybe some Yashikina's canteen somewhere in the middle of Lagos Island.
And I can imagine Shade coming out all dressed up with her dress and her hair pinned to the side with her earring. Then she wear that her red. She remember that red. And then the one stand on an amala seller queue.
And now the guy will be pointing out meat from the huge bowl of stew, saying, Iya, give me 3 shaki, 4 roundabouts, and 2 ogufe.
What fuku?
You know what funny thing? Let me tell you. When they're through, the guy will now hand her a toothpick to pick out the widow from her teeth.
Ew.
And they will now wash it down with pure water.
Avanta. Bernardo. That must be a kid.
Dressed in blue things up and down.
We feel like. Oh, I'm sure you have Kilek. I'm just too sure of that. Very sure. 1 minute.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Akim.
Oh, Akim, yes. Come on in.
Oh, thank you. I'm here to pick up Shadi.
Yes, she's just getting ready. Come in, please.
Thank you.
Oh, this is Bernard. He's a family of the friend. He's a friend of the family. Hello. Just a family friend.
I'm Akim.
Come in. Oh, yeah, sorry. Put your hand here. So, Akim, such a lovely name you have.
Thank you.
So, what would you like to drink? We have wine. My dad has champagne, but I can steal it for you, Akim. And there's beer, and there's cheese, and there's also
I think water will be fine.
Oh, just water?
Yeah, water is okay. Thank you.
All right, straight away.
All right, thank you. You see, aside the oil and gas business, yes, I'm also into general contracting. Yeah, I deal with anything that can bring in cool cash. Yes, as far as it's legitimate. And presently I'm working on a project with the federal government of Nigeria.
Okay.
We're trying to construct a new stadium.
I'm leaving.
Like seriously, we can have the president and some other dignitaries sitting and
Tayo,
watching
I'm
live
leaving.
matches. And it's gonna be fun. You see, I travel a lot and I've been to several countries. I should be traveling to South Africa next week. Yes.
Tayo, I'm leaving. Tell Shadi I was here and I waited for her.
Okay.
Yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna have a meeting with the president. And after that, I want to go on vacation. I'm actually thinking of going somewhere, probably Florida or Miami.
Wow.
Yes, I wouldn't mind if you get a chance. You can come with me.
don't mind. It's not because my dad doesn't come with
Oh,
us.
don't worry. All bees on me.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Wow. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Tayo. Yeah? I thought I heard someone leaving.
Oh, it's nobody. Just Bernard. Ignore.
Bernard?
Yes, just Bernard.
Anyway, shall we?
Yes. Happily. And thanks for keeping my company.
Oh, of course. Please don't mention.
It was nice talking with you.
Oh, same here. It was nice talking to you too.
Hope to see you again.
Oh, same here. Okay, guys. You guys have fun, okay?
All right, we will have fun. So what?
I mean, how did dates go?
Oh, went well.
Give me gist. Where did you guys go to? What did you guys eat? Did he ask you out? Did you say yes? Oh my god, you guys look so good together. You have beautiful kids.
Tayo, slow down. It was just a date to a nice restaurant and not a trip to the marriage registry.
Oh, he's so fine.
No.
Did he ask you out?
No, he didn't.
Huh? Is he gay?
Tayo!
What is true now? Why would two people go on a date? Why would they both of you go on a date and he would not ask you out? Why? So, what did you guys talk about then?
Well, mostly work things. And for your information, not every guy asks a girl out on their first date, okay?
But if he has the effrontery to take you on a date, then he should ask you out.
Well, Tayo, that's your opinion, okay? I have to call Bernard. I feel really bad that he was here and I couldn't see him.
Oh.
He's not answering.
Well, maybe he's asleep or he's probably far from his phone.
Anyway, I'll see him in the office tomorrow. Now, Tayo, would you be a good sister and allow me to change, okay?
Anyway, if and when you guys decide to ever get married, you have it in mind that I, Tayo Shadare, will be a chief bridesmaid and I will be planning your wedding. Ta-da! Gonna leave you now.
Hi, Shade.
Hi.
We'll be having a very important meeting at 3 p.m. today.
Okay.
And some important clients will be in. So I was asked to inform you.
Okay, thank you. I'll be there. Sorry, wait, please. Has Bernard been to the office today?
Bernard?
Yeah.
He has been around though.
In this office?
Yes, I actually went there to deliver the same message to him.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to be sure.
No problem.
Thank you. I'll join you soon.
Yeah.
Bernard, wait now.
What is it, Shade?
What was that for now?
Whatever it is you have to say, just say it right now. As you can see, I have somewhere to go.
Bernard. Is that how you say hello to someone you haven't seen all day?
What did you expect? A big hug or a peck on the cheek? Why didn't you go and do that to your new boyfriend?
Wait a minute. Bernard, are you jealous?
Of what? Some hot shot looking guy in a suit? Get over yourself, Shade.
No, you get over yourself, Bernard. I can't believe you're jealous just because I went on a date with Akeem. Oh, so that's why you've been avoiding me all day, eh? Not picking my calls, not answering my BB messages.
Listen, Shade, I don't have the time or patience to listen to you nag. If you feel like nagging, like I said, go and do that to your new boyfriend.
You know what, Bernard? You are just a petty, immature person who obviously has a lot of growing up to do. And you know something else. Akeem is way more mature than you.
Hey, how was your day?
It was fine until that idiot decided to ruin it.
Who?
Bernard, of course.
May I come in?
Yes, Dad. You can.
Man trouble?
That is if Bernard can be described as a man right now.
So you two had a fight?
He started it. I don't even know what his problem is. Sulking all over the place and giving me attitude just because I went on a date with Akeem.
Who is Akeem?
One of our contractors. A very nice guy who asked me out on a date.
I see.
Well, we went on a date yesterday and Bernard was here earlier on to see me, but he left as soon as Akeem arrived. And then today, I tried calling him, sending him messages, but he totally ignored me. Only for me to see him later and tell him that I've been looking everywhere for him. And then he starts acting like a jerk.
Perhaps he's behaving that way because he's hurt.
That he didn't get to see me.
That you happily accepted to go out on a date with that other guy.
Dad, I don't see how that is a problem to him. It was just a date. I didn't say I was going to marry the guy.
Maybe he's hot because he likes you. In a more than just a friend manner.
Oh, come on, Dad. You can't be serious.
Actually, I am. I mean, the young guy calls you almost every day after you guys must have seen each other in the office. He has never forgotten your birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day. And I remember when you went to Badagry to go and walk and you got stuck, he drove all the way down at 11:30 p.m. to get you. Shade, if you can't see all this as indicators to the guy liking you, I wonder how else you will.
Honestly, Dad, I never thought of it that way.
You were busy basking in the attention of a lady, being admired by friends.
But if he does like me, why doesn't he just come out and tell me? I mean, I don't have ESP, you know.
Maybe he's afraid.
Of what? Rejection?
Shade, contrary to what a lot of you ladies believe, men are afraid of rejection, especially from the ones they have strong feelings for. Now, you talk to him and patch things up, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good girl.